Hey there! Did you know that your iPhone has a secret button which can run hundreds and even thousands of actions? But you have to unlock it first. Let me show you on this step-by-step guide from Gadget Hacks, how you can unlock this secret button and unleash the power of your iPhone. First, you'll need to open your accessibility shortcut. You can do this by triple-clicking your home button, or by setting up an accessibility shortcut in Settings. Once you have your accessibility shortcut open, you'll be able to choose from a list of actions. You can customize these actions to your liking, so don't forget to explore the options. That's it. Once you've chosen your desired action, your secret button will be unlocked. Now you can use it to access your favorite apps, increase brightness and volume, and so much more. Hey there! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe for more amazing content. Be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new updates. Thanks again and have a great day!